Eric and Mario here, welcoming you to 1812 Needham Rd Apopka. Give us a big thumbs up if you enjoy videos like these.
This beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home features over 1,800 square feet of living space and offers a great opportunity to own a home at under market value. It features vaulted ceilings, open floor plan, big master bedroom, and is located in a great neighborhood here in Apopka.
Located in Errol Estates, just off of Vic Road and the 429, this home will get you where you need to go quickly. Also, the home is in need of a few repairs. A new roof and a new AC come to mind. Don't worry, we have lenders, which we'll list in the comments below, that can get these costs built into your mortgage, giving you a practically brand new home.
What a great opportunity. Let's go in, let's take a look together at this home. Follow us. Thanks for checking out this awesome home. Hopefully you see it for what it can be, not what it currently is.
Let us know what other repairs you think this home needs before moving in. Did we miss anything? What were they? We look forward to hearing from you.